What's the meaning of cellar? Cellar. Cellar.
Cellar. Cellar. A cellar is an underground room, typically used for storing wine and other foods. It's usually dark and cool, making it ideal for aging wine and maintaining its quality. Cellars can also be used for storage or as a shelter during severe weather conditions or emergencies. They can range in size from small closets to large, multi-room spaces and can be found in homes, restaurants, wineries, and other buildings. Overall, a cellar provides a useful and versatile space for storage and preservation of various items.